Okay, today we're going to take a look at Pinball Pool. Again, this is a Gottlieb machine. This is 1978, so just between the years of 1975, 74 in there, to 78, they'd already gotten rid of all the mechanical displays and started with some of the really early basic electronic displays. Let's see, I think we have to hit the main power switch on the bottom on these machines. There we go. So now we have lights, then we'll hit the I think it's resetting itself. You heard those tones. Instead of the bells and chimes, they put in those tones that remind you a lot of old Pong machines, stuff like that. What else? As you can see, there are fluorescent displays, and partly because it's so cold out here, the displays are really dim. On the playfield, it's laid out like a game of pool. You can see all the pool balls in different numbers. Again, you have the same basic 3 gates up there, which you want to try to get all 3 gates. You have your bonus hole for 5,000 when they're lit. You have a captive ball for advancing. And no gate save on this one. When you tank it, you tank it. So let's see here. Let's hit this. Okay, everything's reset. Handing the camera up. And the camera's going to get turned, but that's the only way to get the whole play field in on one shot without moving the camera a lot. Ooh, almost got the 5,000 bonus. You can set this up for 4 players. I pushed the button once, so it's set up for 1 player right now. Okay, we got A and C lit. And then I lost that one. Nice thing about, well, it may not be anything nice, it reset them all. I was hoping it would save the gate from game to game. Right down the center. Ball and play. 4, I believe. Is that what it says? Okay, this will be my last balls, ball 5. Got the special, but it wasn't lit. C was lit, so I got the special on that. Trying to get back up there to get another one of those gates. Hey, that would have been my ball 5. So now on the display, what do we got? 100. So they've gone up to where you can go up to what? 999,000 would be the most you could get on this machine. And I guess it's alternating between the score I just got and a previous high score for player 1. So I think that's about it for Gottlieb Pinball Pool. And again, what year did I say that one was? That was in the 70s. That was 1978. See, there were a lot of different machines that had a robot theme to them. There's only so much room out here, so I kind of had to decide which ones I wanted. Plus, some of them are harder to get. For example, Twilight Zone, which has Robbie the Robot in the glass and on the playfield. Too many people want that one because it's a crossover. It's not only a TV show and Twilight Zone, but then it's also robot related, so it's really hard to get that. Okay, I think that's about it for Pinball Pool. If we move on, we'll be moving on to the more complex machines, the Bally machines like Pinbot, the machine Bright of Pinbot and Jackbot, and they all count up into the billions and they all have digital sounds, much more complex.